My name is Ron Roundtree. We're in Greenville, South Carolina. Company name is New Life Chemical, and I'm the president.
My name is Tim Northcutt. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Purchasing at New Life Chemical and Equipment Incorporated.
My name is Elliot Gibbs, and I am the Chief Chemist and Director of Manufacturing here at New Life Chemical.
New Life Chemical is in the surplus business in the chemical industry. So we're buying and selling chemicals that go into different industries, soaps, cleaning compounds, latex, and then we make products as well. We make laundry, dish, and fabric softener.
New Life is an entrepreneurial company. It's been in business for 24 years. We grew organically. What we needed were standard operating procedures from department to department. We needed some structure. That type of structure allows for employees to have a solid career path, to understand their roles and responsibilities, and to eliminate some inefficiencies between departments as work transferred from department to department. So we wanted to get scale so that we could grow. When we signed up, Dave Driley came. He almost came immediately after we agreed to meet with him. It was a 3-day process where he interviewed just about every key employee that we had identified for him to interview. The following week, we had Jorge Colon show up with Cogent. He's our analyst. Jorge immediately dove into interviewing our key employees. He had listened to our tapes. He came in strong, familiar with our company.
And so one of the main points that Jorge brought in was to create key performance indicators for the employees in the company and to track performance across departments and to kind of put everybody on the same page. So we also spent time developing standard operating procedures in all of the departments. In my department specifically, we had to go through and develop procedures for what the process looked like for manufacturing and making that process smooth and more efficient. One of the biggest improvements that we saw right away was employee morale. The employees were really feeling that things weren't fair, that there was a lack of accountability throughout the company, and we knew that that needed to improve. And as soon as we started to implement these changes and put in these KPIs and look at these processes go into place, the employees really responded with a positive attitude, morale increased. We saw just attitudes and buy-in really come together.
The project scope surprised me in that it gave our employees a lot of motivation because they saw a career path. Prior to Cogent, the lack of structure, we had some turnover, but we also wanted to retain some key employees because there's an element of training that comes into our business that's particular to our business. And we are trying to get the next generation. So we want them to feel like there's a place to grow in their career at New Life. So they have to see that. They have to measure that through the key performance indicators in their role and in the employee's role. And then they have to see the upside of where they can grow in their career at New Life. And I think that was not something we could see prior to our engagement with Cogent Analytics.
Jorge really brought in a lot of tools that allowed me to see kind of the position of the company and what we were looking at, looking into the future. We had been very reactionary. We had monthly meetings looking at financials from the past month. But now we have tools to really think about what we're doing into the future. Moving forward, I feel like we're in a better position to really make strategic decisions about taking New Life to the next stage.